Welcome to this tutorial on how to specify who can reply to a thread on Threads on Android. If you're someone who uses Threads regularly, you know how important it is to control who can reply to your posts. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to specify who can reply to a thread on Threads on Android. To get started, open the Threads app on your smartphone. Click on the new thread icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Type in what you want to post and then tap Anyone can reply, located at the bottom of the screen. From there, choose who you want to reply to your post. You can choose from three options: anyone, close friends, or custom. If you choose anyone who sees your post can reply to it. If you choose close friends, only your close friends can reply to your post. And if you choose custom, you can select specific people who can reply to your post. By specifying who can reply to your post on Threads, you can ensure that only the people who matter most to you can reply. This can help you stay focused and avoid unwanted replies. In addition to specifying who can reply, you can also customize other settings in Threads to make your experience more comfortable. For example, you can choose who can see your online status, who can add you as a friend, and who can see your story. One thing to keep in mind is that if you don't specify who can reply to your post, anyone can reply. This can lead to unwanted replies and can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to have a private conversation with your close friends. And that's it. Now you know how to specify who can reply to a thread on Threads on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to customize your Threads settings to make your Threads experience more enjoyable.